Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Contact Form 7. Let's begin. Okay, it's a little bit easy because the first thing you need to do for you to be able to integrate Mailchimp with Contact Form 7 is to go to your WordPress, and then you need to hover down here in plugins and search for Contact Form 7. Okay, now once you've done that, the next step you need to do, as you can see in my screen right now, after you've done all of this, we need to hover to our Mailchimp account. Now you need to hover down to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on that and go to account and billing. Now the interface might vary depending on your platform or version of your Mailchimp, but in my case here, what I need to do is go to extras and go to API keys, because you need to generate an API key for that for you to be able to integrate Contact Form 7. Now, all you're going to do is create a key and rename it to Contact Form 7. Okay. Now, once you have done that, generate the key, copy to clipboard, or you can save it to your WordPad or Notepad. Copy that, and then you need to go to the WordPress dashboard again. Click on done. Now, if you have that option, go to the left part of your WordPress dashboard and go to API keys. Okay, and then on the advanced form integration, you need to click on create new integration, and the title should be the Contact Form 7 integration. And basically you need to check down the drop down menu from Contact Form 1 and select the action from platform to task and paste the API keys that we have generated a while ago and save integration. Okay, now to make sure that the integration was successful, you need to go back again to your Mailchimp account, and of course you need to go to your campaign. Basically from here you can search for the new created campaigns, and you can check if the you need to check if the contact, the email was added successfully here. All right, and if you have seen all of these are added, you have successfully integrated Contact Form 7 to Mailchimp. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.